At Keith Pierce from Toyota. I'm the technology guru, and today I'm going to show you how to use the power side doors and the power rear door on the XLE and up Sienna. Now let's get started. Come on over here. So you need to have the key on you, and you need to see this. It looks kind of like the Wi-Fi signal right there. All you have to do, have the key on you. See, I'm not pushing anything. Right there. Side door opens. Once it opens, kick it again. Kick that one a little bit too hard, but it happens. It's actually a little bit more protective now. It's closed on the sides, and come on over to the front, the rear. Again, it's going to be in the middle, so the sensor is going to be in the middle. You're not going to be able to see this one, but it'll be right here. So as long as you have the key on you and you know where to kick right down the middle and then kick near the sensors where it shows on the sides, you're good to go. Now that's how to use the power rear door and the power side doors on the Toyota Sienna.